Hi there, this is David. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a bulk discount campaign and customize the pricing table step by step with Disco Pro. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working bulk discount pricing table displayed on your product page. Let's get started. First, create a new bulk discount campaign. For this tutorial, we'll use the following bulk discount structure. Ordering 2 to 5 units of a product, 5% discount. Ordering 6 to 10 units of a product, 10% discount. Ordering 11 to 15 units of a product, 15% discount. Ordering 16 or more units of a product, 20% discount. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Disco, create a discount. Let's give this campaign a name, something clear like bulk discount, so you can easily recognize it later. Next, under Discount Intent, select Bulk. Now we have to select the product that we want to offer a bulk discount on. You can choose whether to apply this discount to all products in your store or just a few selected products. For this example, we can choose Belt as our selected product. Search for Belt and select. As you can see, our product added. Now we have to select the user limit, which means how many individual users can use these offers. Like for this example, we can set 100. Next, set your valid dates as needed. Now, the exciting part, here we set up our bulk rules. In the bulk rules setup, first, we will see the minimum and maximum quantity. We have to set up here how many quantities a buyer has to buy to get this offer. Based on our example, we have to set 2 as the minimum quantity and 5 as the maximum quantity. And then the discount type sets the percentage discount, and in the value field, set 5. And then discount labels write 5% off. So if a user buys 2 products or a minimum of 5, they will get 5% discount. In this example, we have to set tired discount. So click Add More button to set more rules. Set minimum 6 and maximum 10, then set the percentage discount, and in the value field, set 10 and add the label as 10% off. Now add more, and set the minimum to 11 and the maximum to 15. Then set the percentage discount, and in the value field, set 15. Add label 15% off. Again, add more. Set minimum 16 and maximum leave blank. So if a buyer orders 16 to more any number, they will get the discount 20%. Then set the percentage discount, and in the value field, set 20. Add label 20% off. Ensure that you add discount labels for each tier. These labels are used as the title in the pricing table, so don't skip this part. For this example, we won't apply any conditions. Simply skip this section and click Continue. Now we're in the campaign display section. Here you'll see the bulk pricing table option. Enable the table and click Edit to customize it. You'll see several pre-made pricing table designs. Choose any design you like. All tables are fully customizable. For this tutorial, we'll select the second table design. Scroll down to the heading customization section. Choose the heading font style. By default, it uses your theme's font. You can select a different font if needed. Edit the heading text. For example, change Buy Now to Add to Cart. You'll see the changes instantly in the live preview. Next, adjust the text style of the table cell. Change font size as needed. For example, increase it from 14 pixels to 16 pixels for better readability. Now, move to button customization. You can enable or disable the button. Change the button text. We'll set it to Add to Cart. Choose where the pricing table appears on the product page. You have 2 options, before Add to Cart and after Add to Cart. For this example, we'll select After Add to Cart, so the table appears below the Add to Cart button. In this section, you can customize text color and button color. If we see our theme default button color, it's red, and the button text color is white. So make the button black and text white. Once done, you can review the changes in the preview section. Your bulk discount table customization is now complete. Now, click on Back from the bulk table customization and click Continue to move to the Summary section. On the Summary page, you'll see a complete overview of your bulk discount campaign. If you need to make changes, you can go back and edit any section. Everything looks good. Now it's time to go live. Click Publish, and your bulk discount campaign is now live. Let's visit the Belt product page. Here, you'll see the bulk pricing table. If a customer selects 10 products, they'll automatically receive a 10% discount. When they click Add to Cart, 10 items will be added to the cart automatically, and the discount will be applied instantly. That's it! You've successfully created and customized a bulk discount pricing table. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!